the power of learning blooms into curiosity and wonder. Enjoy free on-demand access to our new season of virtual field trips and the latest video topic series, complete with ready-to-use curriculum-aligned activities. Witness humpback whales in the wild. Participate in hands-on science and conservation activities, and learn how these giants thrive while keeping the ocean's ecosystem in balance. Experience the thrill of learning STEM and life skills through the most popular sport in the world, soccer. And on top of that, get ready to immerse yourself in new worlds of learning with our latest topic series.
Send part to checking and part to savings.
Each series is packed with videos and engaging teacher-led activities designed to cover wide-ranging educational needs.
Artists use colors, shape, and texture. We use audio, we use innovation, and we use graphics to help tell our story.
Make teaching easier and learning unforgettable with the latest virtual field trips and discovery topic series from Discovery Education.